Hello, this is Chuck Dolan from Middlesex County College Library with the second tutorial for your English 122 short story assignment. If you haven't watched the first tutorial yet, please do. This one will cover the database MLA International Bibliography. From the library's homepage, click Databases, Articles, and Facts. Then use the drop-down menu to choose English and Literature. Scroll down a bit to get to MLA International Bibliography. Log in from off-campus with your NetID and password. Here's the search screen. The company that provides this database, EBSCO, also provides many of our other databases and allows you to include other databases in your search. Click the link near the top that says Choose Databases. You can see that MLA International Bibliography is already checked. Check the box for Academic Search Premier as well. That's one of our largest databases covering many different subjects including literary criticism, so it's worth adding to your search. Click OK. Let's say you're researching the story The Yellow Wallpaper by Charlotte Perkins Gilman. I would put the title of the story, Yellow Wallpaper, on one line, and the author's last name, Gilman, on the next. The last name alone is okay, but the database prompts you with the full name, and you can choose that, but it's not necessary. That "and" between the two search boxes means that both Yellow Wallpaper and Gilman must be present in all of the results. Click Search. The database brings back 285 items. As you look through the results, you can see that some of them are academic journals and some are books. Unfortunately, the books are not available as full text in the database, and since the library is closed, you won't be able to request or borrow any books from us. That means you'll want to limit your search to just the academic journals. On the left side of the screen, there's a panel that gives you different options for limiting your search results. Almost all of our databases have this. Scroll to where it says Source Types. You can see that our results include academic journals, books, reviews, dissertations, magazines, etc. Check the box for academic journals. Our results went down to 150. The same search strategy of including the title of the story on one line and the author's last name on another will work for two other stories used in this assignment. Paul's Case and Cather, or Telltale Heart and Poe. The final story, A&P by John Updike, doesn't work the same way. If you try it, you get over 3,300 results, and they're not specific to this story. This is because the title consists of just two letters, which are ignored by the database. One way around this is to think of a word that's unique to this story and include that in the search instead of the title. I noticed that the main character's name is Sammy, so I searched Sammy and Updike. We only got 4 results, but they're all related to that story. However, we can get more. If we click the title of one of these articles to get to the full record, you can see that there's a subject heading for A&P. That's also a link. If you click this link, the database pulls up 20 sources specifically about that story. As we did before, we should limit our search results to academic journals only. We're left with 19 articles to choose from. When you look through your search results, each record is displayed as a brief citation, which includes the article title, the author's names, the name of the journal, the date of publication, and the volume, issue, and page numbers, as well as some subject words describing the article. Below that, there are links to get the full text. If there's a link for PDF full text or HTML full text, you can click that link to get the full article. Some records in your results may have a link that says Look for full text. This means that the complete article is not available within this database, but you can click the link to see if it's available in one of our other databases. If it is available, as in this case, the full article comes up automatically. If there's an option for a PDF version of the article, always choose it. This gives you the full article in its original format with the original page numbers. The parenthetical citations that you must use in the text of your paper include the page number, so having those page numbers is helpful. Sometimes when you click Look for Full Text, you see, sorry, no full text was found in our databases. This means that the article is not available from MCC Library. However, you can request it, and we can get it to you within 1 to 5 days. Click Request a Copy here. You'll be asked to log in with your campus login and will be taken to a request form that's already completed with the article information. All you have to do is click Send. You'll receive the article by email within a few days. From the Search Results screen, you can get to some additional tools by clicking the title of an article. This takes you to a full record. The links for full text access are on the left side of the screen. On the right side of the screen, there are tools you can use to print, email, or save the record. I recommend emailing the record to yourself because the email will include a citation in MLA format. Make sure MLA is selected as the citation format. Enter your email address here and send. But please note that the full text of the article will only be included in the email if it's available in this database. You can also get a citation using the Cite tool. Click Cite, then scroll down to MLA. You can copy and paste this citation into your work cited, but keep in mind that these citations are not always perfect, and you may want to check it against an MLA citation guide like the one produced by the library before you hand in your paper. Even if it is correct, it will still need some additional formatting once you paste it into Word. There's a separate tutorial that will show you how to do that. That's the end of this tutorial, but please watch the other tutorials for this class. If you have any problems along the way, research help is available remotely from the reference librarians. To see how you can connect to us, click the Ask a Librarian link on the library's homepage. You can email us a question, or you can get live help using the conference feature in Canvas. Thanks for your attention, and good luck.